In this video, I'll be sharing the best all-inclusive resorts in Punta Cana, ideal if you're looking to book your next all-inclusive vacation. Make sure to stay till the end so you don't miss out on these incredible resorts. Starting at Lopesan, Costa, Bávaro. Imagine a wonderful place right on Playa Bávaro, where there's lots of fun stuff to do. The resort is huge, with over 1,000 guest rooms. Each room has a nice bathroom with a special rain shower, a mini bar, a flat screen TV, and plenty of space to relax. There are 7 cool swimming pools. You can splash around and have fun. You can also visit 13 different bars for amazing drinks. Plus, there are 2 beach clubs to enjoy the beach and sun. Families will love it here. There are 8 restaurants to choose from. There are buffets with lots of international tasty food. If you like coffee or ice cream, there are places to enjoy it too. And if you need to unwind, there is a spa where you can get pampered. And last, if you like games, there's a casino with all sort of exciting games. Rooms start from $350 per night. Next, Royalton Splash. This is a special resort that offers everything you need for a fantastic vacation. The resort is really good at keeping everything clean and making sure you are comfortable. There are also many fun things to do. You can enjoy 4 nice swimming pools. You can go to Bávaro beach, where you can play in the sand and do some water sports. If you like drinks, there are 8 bars with all sort of tasty drinks. You can enjoy this by the pool, and if you want to relax, there's a spa where you can feel really calm. You can also play tennis or work out in the fitness center to stay active. If you have kids with you, don't worry, they have a kids club and also a teens lounge. These places have games and fun stuff for kids. Plus, there's a huge water park that you can use, and to be honest, it's one of the biggest ones in the Caribbean. When you're hungry, there are 6 different restaurants with lots of different types of food, like Mexican and Italian. At the end of the day, you can go to your comfy room. It has a nice balcony or terrace, free Wi-Fi, a coffee maker, and they refill your mini fridge every day. Rooms start from $230 per night. Next on the list, Majestic Mirage. This is a fantastic resort where wonderful things are happening right now. There are 7 big buildings here. 5 are just for adults and 2 are for families. The rooms are huge, starting at 1,000 square feet. You even get your very own butler to help you out. If you're hungry, at this resort, there are 8 amazing places to eat, from steaks to sushi. Some meals are free because you already pay for them, but a few restaurants charge separately. So before you go, check if you need a special outfit or if you need to make a reservation. If you like doing things, there's golf, tennis, basketball, and a gym for active people. And if you just want to relax in the sun, there are special beds and chairs by 13 different pools. You can use the water sports gear for free, and if you like games or trying your luck, there's a game area and a casino. Rooms start from $350 per night. Next, Dreams Royal Beach. This is a fantastic resort that pampers you with lots of cool stuff. When you first go to your room, it's like walking into a cozy and fancy place. There's a big TV, a bathtub outside where you can relax, and free Wi-Fi so you can use your phone. Outside, there are 4 pools that you can swim in and 2 hot tubs to relax in. You can also go to a private beach to enjoy the sea and do some water sports. When you're hungry or just want a drink, you have lots of choices. There are 7 restaurants where you can try different international food. There are also 9 bars, including 2 on the beach and 3 by the pools. You will never go hungry or thirsty here. So Dreams Royal Beach in Punta Cana is the perfect place to have a fancy vacation, relax, eat good food and have lots of fun. Rooms start from $270 per night. Next, Bahia Principe Luxury Ambar. Located on the beautiful beach Gran Bahia Principe, this resort is just for adults. The rooms are super cozy and there's a little fridge with snacks and drinks that they refill every day. People who come here love the rooms because they are comfy and the food service is fantastic. There are 6 places to eat and each one has special dishes. Some serve food from different countries like Italian or classic steaks diners. At the luxury Bahia, there's so much fun to be had. You can relax on the pretty beach or swim in a huge pool that looks like a big lake. There's even a place where you can get massage and feel super relaxed. If you like to stay active, they have exercise classes and fun games in the pool. The best part is that you don't have to worry about paying for your meals or drinks. It's all included, and every night they have cool shows to keep you entertained. As a special treat, you can borrow water sport gear for free for an hour every day. Rooms start from $130 per adult per night. Next, Rio Palas Bávaro. This is a beautiful place where you can have an amazing time. It's right by the Arena Gorda beach and it's open 24 hours a day with everything included. Whether you're here with your family, your special someone or your friends, this resort has everything you need. There are more than 600 rooms, including special villas, so there's a perfect place for everyone. You can get free Wi-Fi, a mini bar filled with goodies and a coffee machine. You can order room service any time of the day or night. Plus, you get a balcony or terrace to enjoy the views. You can relax on the Arena Gorda beach or swim in one of the pools, including one for kids. There's always something fun going on, like live music, shows, a special club for kids, and even a place to dance at night. If you like sports, there are activities for you, and if you just want to chill out, there's a special spa as well. And when you're hungry, you have lots of options. You can have an American breakfast or try Japanese, Italian and fusion dishes. There are also 6 bars where you can get ice cream, snacks and tasty drinks all day long. Rooms start from $240 per night. Next, the resort at Paradis. This all-inclusive resort is just for families who want an awesome vacation in a beautiful tropical paradise. What makes this resort special are the rooms. Each room has a special helper who can make your vacation even better. They can help you plan fun stuff to do both at the resort and outside things to do. And if you want to go to the beach, they have a special gear for your kids to use. Kids will love the kids zone. It's like a magical place where you can play. There is a pool just for kids and even a trampoline for jumping fun. When you get hungry, there are 4 restaurants right here. They have international food for you to try. Plus, you can do fun things like play tennis, try water sports, and join in on daily activities without paying extra. Rooms start from $600 per night. Next, Barcelo Bávaro Palace. This 5-star rating resort is by the beautiful Bávaro beach, which National Geographic says is one of the best beaches in the world. Imagine a really big and beautiful resort in Punta Cana. It's like 2 resorts in one. One part is called Barcelo Bávaro Palace and the other Barcelo Bávaro Beach, which is just for adults. The resort has everything you want: sandy beaches, green golf courses, and even a casino. People will love the food at the 11 restaurants here. The staff also offers a great service too. Families especially love it because there's lots of kids stuff to do, like water parks and kids pool activities. Adults can relax at the spa while the kids have fun around the property. Most of the visitors had a great time in this resort. They liked the big rooms with cool stuff like big TVs, minibar and snacks restocked daily. Rooms start from $310 per person per night. Next, Hayat Sia Capana. This all-inclusive resort is in a special place called Cap Cana, not too far from the airport, and there are lots of cool things to do nearby. The resort has a bunch of awesome stuff for everyone in your family. There's a big infinity pool that looks amazing and a special pool just for club members. The beach is right there, with super soft sand and clear blue water that's really pretty. Kids and even adults can have a blast at the Canapolis water park. They have a lazy river and 3 slides that are really exciting. If you like staying active, there's a gym with lots of workout machines. And if you just want to relax, there's a spa called Amar Spa. It's inspired by cool natural places and has a pool with special water treatments and a lounge with special salt from the Himalayan mountains. Rooms start from $620 per night. Next resort, Sanctuary Cap Cana. This is a big all-inclusive resort in Cap Cana, right by the beach. It's a place just for adults, and it's only 15 minutes away from the Punta Cana airport. The resort looks like a fancy old Spanish town, and even has a castle-like building. There are over 300 really nice rooms at the resort. They are designed to look modern with natural materials like wood and stone, which makes them look very classy. You can eat at 5 different restaurants, and one of them is built on tall sticks over the water. They also have 6 bars, 5 pools, and a golf course that was made by a famous golfer named Jack Nicklaus. The resort just got a makeover and added 140 more rooms, so it looks even better now. Rooms start from $400 per night. Next, Secrets Royal Beach. This is a fantastic resort situated right on the stunning Bávaro beach, which happens to be one of the largest and most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. Here, everything is included in your stay, so you don't have to worry about extra costs. You will have lots of dining options to choose from, like fancy restaurants, a buffet, and even a grill by the beach. And when it comes to having fun, there are plenty of things to do. You can join in pool games, enjoy the beach, and catch exciting shows at night. If you are into sports, there are tennis courts, basketball, hoops, and volleyball nets waiting for you. And if you like water activities that don't use motors, you are in luck, because they have those here to use for free. With over 600 rooms, Secrets Royal Beach is a top choice for adults looking for a high-class, all-inclusive vacation in Punta Cana. Rooms start from $570 per night. Next, Bahia Principe Fantasia. This resort is located in the great place called Arena Gorda, not too far from the city center. This resort has lots of options for eating. You can go to a restaurant, order food to your room, visit a bar, grab snacks, or even get special meals if you have diet preferences or restrictions. They also have many cool things to make you feel special and relax. You can work out in the gym, chill out in the sauna, swim in the outdoor pool, or just relax in a hot tub. Plus, they have a peaceful spa where you can get massage and treatments. If you like sports and fun activities, you are in luck. You can play tennis, go fishing, hang out at the beach, play table tennis, try diving, or just go snorkeling. And if you love water parks, mini golf, or water sports, they have those too. They also have special themed diner nights, exciting aerobic classes, and you can join fitness and yoga classes if you want to stay active during your stay. Rooms start from $160 per person per night. Next, Melia Caribe Beach Resort. This resort is super cool because it has its very own private beach, a golf course, and even a free water park. That means there's something fun for everyone, no matter how old you are. If you have kids, they will love the free kids club and the special pool just for them. Savor amazing food at the fancy buffet with food from around the world. It's in a great spot with awesome views of Playa Bávaro, making it perfect place to enjoy your meal. There are different places to eat, stuff to do, and nice swimming pools. The resort has more than 1,000 rooms spread across the property. In some rooms, you can have up to 3 kids under 12 years old stay with you and your parents, so big families are welcome here. Rooms start from $210 per night. Next, Live Aqua Beach Resort. This is a luxury resort nested by a beautiful bay surrounded by lush gardens. The resort has low-rise buildings that create a cozy and intimate atmosphere, and most of the rooms have views of the resort's lovely grounds. The resort has not 1, not 2, but 8 dining options for you to explore. And don't miss the delightful breakfast buffet that's sure to start your day off right. When it's time to unwind, there are 3 bars where you can relax and enjoy your favorite drinks. Speaking of pools, the resort has some beautiful ones. The main pool right by the ocean is a hub of activity, offering water sports and fun poolside activities. If you are into fitness, there is a top-notch gym where you can keep up with your workouts. But what really sets this place apart is its spa. It's one of the best in the area, and you can treat yourself to some well-deserved pampering and relaxation. Rooms start from $390 per night. And the last in this list, Royalton Chic. This is a special resort just for adults, right by the beach on the eastern coast of the Dominican Republic. It's one of the best places where you can have a fancy vacation, eat yummy food, enjoy the beach, and even see a mermaid. The resort offers great activities you can have in the water without motors, go to cool pool parties, and enjoy the beach as much as you want. The food is really good at the most restaurants, especially the steak place called Hanta and the Italian restaurant called Vespa. The rooms are nice with rain showers, big TVs, and even a special machine that gives you drinks. If you want to feel super fancy, you can upgrade to a Diamond Club room. You will get butler service, access to a private beach, better room service, and a cool pool with glass walls where you might even see a pretend mermaid. Rooms start from $350 per night. Also, if you want to see more all-inclusive resorts, you can't miss this video right here. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that likes button. Thanks for watching.